Ladies and gentlemen, it is the CSK versus Mumbai Indians of smartphone wars. Welcome back to Purvika. You're watching a comparison between the best of the two worlds. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra has the new design this time around with the metal bracket styled module for their cameras, while iPhone 12 Pro Max has a glass box design that hosts these lenses inside. Samsung goes with the rounded edges, unlike Apple, which went with the boxy design that reminds us of iPhone 4 or 5. Both of them support 5G, give us dual SIM options. While it is the USB-C port on S21 Ultra, we get to see the Lightning port on 12 Pro Max. Display. S21 Ultra has a 6.8-inch AMOLED display, 3200:1440 pixels, which equates to 515 ppi, while on the 12 Pro Max we see a 6.7-inch Super Retina OLED display, 2788:1284 pixels, that equates to 458 ppi. With the display, we see two different refresh rates, a 60Hz standard on the iPhone, 120Hz adaptive refresh rate on the S21 Ultra. This makes for great media consumption on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, be it games, reading a document or watching movies. The adaptive refresh rate will adjust accordingly to conserve battery. Which brings us to the battery. We see a 5000 mAh battery on the Samsung's latest, while it's the 3687 mAh on the 12 Pro Max. S21 Ultra models range from 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM to 16GB RAM and 512GB ROM. iPhone 12 Pro Max ranges from 128GB to 512GB storage and 6GB RAM. We see Face ID feature on iPhone, which gets difficult to detect wearing a mask, while the in-display fingerprint scanner gets faster than ever before with the option of face detection on the Samsung's S21 Ultra. Moving into specs that makes these the stalwarts of our industry, it has to be the camera. Samsung S21 Ultra has a front-facing camera that is a 40 megapixel sensor, while we see the 12 megapixel sensor on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. What gets even more competitive is the rear camera. iPhone opts for a triple camera module, 12 megapixel sensor each with LiDAR and flash integration. We see the Samsung sport a quad camera setup, 108 megapixel wide angle, 12 megapixel ultra wide to 10 megapixel lenses that are telephoto lenses used for 3x and 10x optical zoom respectively. There is one more small sensor for laser autofocus to sense the distance and accurately set the focus. Although iPhones give us Dolby Vision videos shot at 4K, we get to see HDR plus 4K video capabilities along with 8K at 24 FPS, which is the first of its kind in a smartphone on the Samsung S21 Ultra. This just took the game to a whole new level now. iPhone and Samsung footages seem to be two different kinds yet comparable. Samsung has also added bonus features to the S21 Ultra, the S Pen support. This is the first time we see a Galaxy S series device that gets the S Pen support, which is seen only on the Galaxy Note series. And that, my dear friends, was our quick comparison of the Galaxy S21 Ultra versus the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Which one do you think wins this battle of the smarts? Did we miss out on any features? Let us know down on the comment section below. And yes, if you wish to get any of these devices mentioned above, you can do so now by clicking on the link given below, which will take you straight to our Purvika website where we have just the right offers waiting for you. If it's the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra that you're looking for, you can pre-book the device now to be the first to get your hands on the best device Samsung has to offer yet. We have the 2-hour fast delivery and easy EMI options as well. What are you waiting for? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to click on that bell icon. Thank you.